Boss, patulong naman. Ano kaya magandang 7-seater na matipid sa gas at siksik sa tech? Sana mapansin, new follower niyo ako. So sige, APF Osto, salamat. And dahil dyan, ayan, pinansin na kita, sagutin natin. So when it comes to the most advanced or most high-tech na mga 7-seaters today, I have 3 recommendations for you. This won't be in any particular order. Kumbaga, ilalatag ko lang yung mga options mo and then ikaw na bahala kung alin dito yung magustuhan mo. So number 3 is yung recently reviewed lang natin na si Chevrolet Captiva. Meron siyang 360-degree camera and then meron din siyang panoramic sunroof and tire pressure monitoring na yung dalawang yun, panoramic sunroof and tire pressure monitoring, siya lang yung meron nun sa segment niya. So very high-tech, very premium. Ang kaso lang kay Chevy Captiva is wala siya nung advanced driving assist system na yung mga sensing, wala siya nun. So in terms of gasolina naman, I can't vouch for it really because I'm not sure yet about that turbocharged engine niya. That is why sa number 2 natin na recommendation is si Hyundai Stargazer. High-tech din, actually si Chevy Captiva lang yung naka-turbocharged sa tatlong to. So hindi siya turbocharged and then naka-intelligent variable transmission din siya. So meron siyang smart driving mode. So I can vouch with the fuel economy ni Hyundai Stargazer, and then meron din siyang yung mga smart sensing niya, rear, sides, and then front, automatic braking system. So meron si Stargazer nun, and then ang kaso lang talaga wala siyang 360-degree camera. But meron siyang wireless charging pad. Actually itong tatlong to meron naman silang wireless charging pad, but yun nga, yun yung kay Stargazer, meron siya lahat halos, wala lang talaga yung 360-degree camera. So Chevy Captiva may 360-degree camera but walang safety sensing or smart sensing. Hyundai Stargazer merong smart sensing pero walang 360-degree camera. So yung number 1 na recommendation natin, which has both, si Toyota Veloz. So meron siyang 360-degree cam, meron din siyang nung mga smart sensing. In terms of the fuel efficiency, I can vouch for it as a Veloz user myself. Up to 12 kilometers per liter, naka-idle pa yon lagi, and then sobrang babad pa. So yun, in terms of tech, nasa kanya na halos lahat siguro. Maraming wala, cruise control, by the way, meron si Chevy Captiva and Stargazer sa Veloz wala. So sana nakatulong, follow for more.